In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can get your images to show up in Squarespace exactly the way you want them to show up. So for example, you have a horizontal image and you needed to show certain parts of that image on your website, but it's cropping it. So that's the problem. Or you want to have a square image, and the Squarespace grid currently doesn't allow for strictly square images. So here are my tips and workarounds of how you can get your images to show up exactly the way you want them 100%. Here I am inside a Squarespace website, and you see the head of this person is cut off. And there is a very simple fix to this. Go inside the image, click the edit button, and simply change the focal point of the image. This is a vertical image, and what if I wanted it to be square, right? Let me edit and let me crop it so it's 100% square. Save it. But you can see that here, if I press G, it's going to show me the grid. The grid doesn't really allow for square images. So no matter what I do, no matter how much I tweak the grid, the image is not going to be strictly square. So here's another workaround. Go into the design and change it into fit. So right now I see the actual size of the image and it's square. Another example of this. Let's say I have a background image in a section, and I need to show certain parts of that image on my desktop and certain parts on my mobile. So if I switch to mobile, you will see that image goes first, and then the copy and the button go second. So how did I do this? We go back to desktop. So this is not a background image in a section. So I didn't add that background image here. This is a section that doesn't have any margin at the top and at the bottom. So if I press fill screen, it's going to add that margin at the top and at the bottom. But I disabled it and I added my background as an image so that when I switch to mobile view, I can actually move it around. It's not a background. And here I can place my text however I want and my button, and make sure the text doesn't overlap this lady. So if I go inside this image, I also change the focal point so that her head is not cut off and she is on the right side from the text. And then on mobile, it's also optimized because I can move this image around. These are my tricks to using images inside Squarespace. I'm Olga, by the way. I run Applet Studio. It's a Squarespace template brand. I have amazing Squarespace freebies for you. Check them out below this video and show me some love. Subscribe.